I feel like my lips match my face. I don't like this color on me. It's Bare Minerals Smooch. It's pretty, but I don't like it on me. Okay, Q&A, here we go. First question is, actually a bunch of people asked this on one of my recent haul videos. This person said, I second the bleach tutorial. I accidentally bought a vintage t-shirt, and when I received it, it had like sun damage or natural bleaching from the sun, like hanger marks. So why waste $40 when I can repurpose it? This person said, do you have a video showing us how you bleach stuff? I do have a video showing you guys how I bleach stuff. I will link it down below. I will do an updated video when the weather warms up. Guys, it was such a tease last week. We had like a 65-degree day, and then we got a freaking snowstorm, and the weather has just been like, I don't know, it's just been like bone chilling cold, and I'm just so over this shit. I'm so ready for spring. I would love to live somewhere where it's sunny and 75 all the time. You know that song? But anyway, I will do an updated how I bleach things video once the weather warms up, because I do have some new techniques, but in the meantime you can watch the video that I already have, and again I'll link it down below, and I promise I will link it down below. I'm so bad about, oh my gosh, I feel like every video I'm like, yeah, I'll link it down below or I'll put it on the screen, and I don't ever do what I say I'm going to do in terms of that. Okay, next question. Okay, we'll leave that one for last because that's kind of like a what the hell. Okay, how many items are you able to list in a day? So I mean, I can list a lot of items in a day. So when I go sourcing, I usually am able to get between like 30 and 60 things, and I'm able to list everything that day. Like usually we go sourcing in the morning, we're back by like mid-afternoon, I wash everything, and then I photograph and list everything. I just personally like to get everything listed. I don't like to have shit just sitting around, because it's like I paid money for that. Like, I don't know. I go back and forth. Like, I guess, okay, I can understand having a death pile. Like, okay, for the people that had death piles when COVID hit, like, okay, cool. That was good. But I mean, knock on wood, what are the chances of something like that happening again? Or I don't know. I feel like I just like to have shit listed. I don't like it just sitting on the ground. You know, if I'm going to go and purchase it, my intent is to resell it. So why would I just let it sit on the ground? I don't know. That's what I do. If you're talking like in a 24-hour time period, I mean, if I don't have to wash everything, probably a couple hundred things I could list. What, honey? Guys, Nolan, oh my gosh. He says a bunch of words now. He says mama all the time, and it is the sweetest thing ever. He is seriously the sweetest, most loving, affectionate little boy. I hope he always stays that way. Like, it's so freaking cute. But he gives kisses. Like, he started giving kisses probably like a month ago. And then now when he gives kisses, he goes, mwah. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. What did you say? Next question. How do you organize your day? Do you have a set schedule every day? Would love for you to do a day in the life video. That's the video I've been saying that I'm gonna do for like well over a year now. No one's just chatting up outside my door. Yeah, I will do that. Anyway. Day in the life video will be coming soon. I need to look at my schedule and see what the best day to do that. Kid is so funny. I gotta figure out the best day to do that, but it will be coming soon. But to answer your question, how do I organize my day? My day is pretty much organized by like my kids. I have to bring my kids to school in the morning. We have lunch at a certain time every day, and I have to pick obviously the kids up at a certain time every day. Between those two different like chunks of time, I do kind of have the same schedule. Again, I'll do a day in the life soon. Just hold me accountable. Just comment on every video and be like, Vanessa, when's the day in the life video coming? I'll do it soon. I will. Okay, next question. Will you ever venture over to Amazon? Maybe one day. I've recently just put a lot of effort into eBay. So yeah, now I'm on Mercari, Poshmark, and eBay. I think it might be a little while before. Actually, I don't know. I don't know if I want to do Amazon, because Amazon's just a whole new ball game. Maybe if I get stuff more like organized this summer and I have an assistant, then I'll have time to check out Amazon. Although, I don't know, truthfully, if I really even want to. I mean, it does intrigue me, but I don't know. Who's here? Somebody here? Should a notification on the camera. Oh, UPS is here. My oldest daughter turns 7 next week. Emmeline. She's gonna be 7, guys. Like, what? And the last question. It's a weird question. I'm not sure if you will truthfully answer this, but it is worth a shot. Have you ever switched tags at a thrift store? I've heard of a lot of resellers doing that, and I'm wondering your thoughts on it. So, first of all, what you're not sure if I'll truthfully answer it? Like, okay, so that's stealing. That's illegal. That's not cool. You said you've heard of a lot of resellers doing that. Who are the scumbags that are doing that? Because that's like, what? Who's admitting to doing this? I'm very curious who's doing this. And it's kind of weird that you don't think I would answer this truthfully. Like, what, you think I'm like shady? So you think I'm like sketchy and I'm a thief? Like, what? Why do you watch my videos if you think that? Like, what? This is a weird question, and yeah, I'm curious who the losers are that are doing this. Very curious. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.